So guys, Joe and his gang, 450 Sports. I'm back with our second box break of the evening. Break 1355. Trilogy, 1415 double box break. 9 packs per box, 1 hit per pack. Sometimes we get 2 hits. Let's do this. Good luck, everybody. Thanks for participating in our breaks. And we have a 5 case box break on Facebook of Black Diamond 1617. So if you want to spot, message us or join our Facebook page. So pack number 1, we start with a crystal number to 275 for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Steven Stamkos. Pack number 2. We have a base card number to 115 for the Winnipeg Jets, Dustin Byfuglien. Third pack, we have a rookie premiere number to 799, Nashville Predators, Colton Sissons. Pack number 4, we have a base card number to 44, Buffalo Sabres, Cody Oxen. Next, Redemption. Neil, you dropped it. NHL Trilogy Signature Pucks, no numbering. Pittsburgh Penguins, Oli Mata. Next pack, we have your rookie premier signature number to 399 for the Ottawa Senators, Curtis Lazar. Next pack, we have another rookie premier signature number to 399, Nashville Predators, Colton Sisson. Next pack, we have 2 hits. We have the base card number to 263 for the Minnesota Wild, Ryan Suter. And we also have a triptych jersey, double color for the Detroit Red Wings, Steve Yzerman. Number to 400. And last pack of box number 1. We have your rookie premiere number to 499 for the Boston Bruins, Alexander Koklichev. That's it for the first box. Box number 2. Box 2, pack 1. We start with a triptych for the Detroit Red Wings, Dominic Hasek. Number to 400. Pack number 2, probably a crystal. We have a base card number to 20, 10 out of 20, Chicago Blackhawks, Patrick Kane. And we also have a crystal rookie number to 249, Arizona Coyotes, Mark Vasentin. Third pack, we have a rookie premiere number to 799, Edmonton Oilers, Oscar Klefbom. Base card number to 47, Colorado Avalanche, Matt Duchene. Next pack, we have the Ice Script, New York Islanders, Mike Bossy. Next pack, we have your rookie autograph number 399, New Jersey Devil, Damon Severson. 3 packs left. We have a base card number 278, New York Islanders, John Tavares. We have a triptych, Dallas Stars, Carey Lettman. Number to 400. And our last pack, we have a rookie premiere number to 199, Anaheim Ducks, William Karlsson. So that's it for Trilogy. I'll be right back in a minute with the single box break of Full Force 15-16.